degree parallel folding door. It is the fully asset. It's the most important to save your space. Because you know now the many building is very small and small, so this one is your best choice to in your building to make the space and have more space. And now I want to show it here. This is the main item, main hardware. You can see this is the whole set, and this is the inner box. We have the PLM to protect the items, and one set is inner box, so it's best for your product goods. It's very good the packing. And now you can see here is the main products. You can see this is the whole set, and this one is the main hardware, and this one is the door panel upper connector, and have two button connector, these two, and also this the screws. And the material is very good, and it's for the stainless steel 201 and brass. You can see, so it's for the rust proof because it is stainless steel. So when you it also can last the life. You use the life. And for the installation, you have to check because it have the left tab and the right tab separated. So when you choose this item, you have to check to us you want to install the left or right, so we can recommend it to you. And you just follow the installation to install is okay. You can see we will have your installation for you. Each item will have one installation, and now I want to show this item for the suitable door size. The door thickness is for the 40 to 44 mm, and the door width is for the three type. It's 800 and 900 and 1000 and 100, the three size. And also the door weight, the capacity is the 40 kilogram. And when you open the door, you will wondering how many mm you can open. And the three passing the piece of opening is 405 mm. And also for when you're opening the reserve wall, width for opening is the 300 mm. So these are when you install this item, you have to know about this size for the suitable size and the installation size. And now I want to introduce why you choose this item. Now I want to show the advantage for you. The first one is the space saving and the best access Bifolding door. So firstly, because it's 100-degree full access, so when you open one door, you can save the more space. And because this one is for the 801, so you have to the 300 reserve wall width. Also, we reduced before the 405 minimum opening size, the space. So it's better space, utilize the efficiency. And also, just now I show you the item is different type. It's the three type for door width up to 800 mm and 900 mm and 1000 mm. And the second one is because it is the material, it's a single mechanism structure, and so it's longer safe life because it's the stainless steel 201 the body. So also with the brass color, it is very stable and silent opening and closing. And the third one is the most advantage. It's very easy installation because it's a single adjustment. This one you need no track design. Also no need to join the up and the lower door frame. So no track design and no need to join the pattern. You just can be installed when you open. So no need just the door frame. You just can install with the hole is okay. And this one the four-door gap is after folding it can reduce by 15%. And also this another advantage, you can solder this item with the close concealed hinge, also the door lock and the handle. So it's very good item for you save your space. The most important is the save the space. And also this one because stainless steel, the lifetime is very long. You can no worry to use this item. You can be safe to use this. And this one the packing is the one set. I just now show you. It's one set in the box with PLM and 10 sets for carton. And our MOQ is the 300 sets is minimum. It's the small quantity. So when you want to check, you can check this item. Okay, now today I show you the item is for the 180-degree parallel folding door. It is the fully accessed the Bifolding door. So you can see our video for this to show you the function.